Baleno Delta model.
This is
which is
mid-variant, na?
yeah, which is the second model of the Baleno. So it is called as Delta. So in this, what you get features is like steering motor controls, and you have receiving and ending the call. Then you have touchscreen music system with Smart Play Studio, and you have automatic AC. And apart from this, you have electrically adjustable overview, central locking, electrically foldable mirrors, and then yeah, these are the things.
Those 3 pins only for alpha variant, no? The 360 camera and the head-on display is only for the top end variant.
Yeah, top end model only comes with the head-on heads-up display,
and
360-degree camera, cruise control, front fog lamp with LED lights, rear AC vents, and you have this one. What is- driver seat height adjustment, alloy wheels, and push button start with keyless entry.
in mid-variant we'll get only you have to put key and start engine.
Yes, yes.
In base one, what you get features in that base
In the
one?
base model, that is called as Sigma.
Sigma.
In the Sigma, you have only power steering, all 4 power windows, automatic AC. There's no touchscreen, sir.
Okay.
There's no music system.
And in that place, what we're having a normal one, na?
Which one? Sigma. No, there is no music system only.
Okay, it's customer option. You
It's
can
a
put
customer option. If you want, you can buy a separately a music system and you can install.
Okay, you just put a wire inside the slot and it will keep open.
Exactly.
You can put aftermarket or you put in showroom also.
No aftermarket, showroom only. Aftermarket, because if any cuts wire, the warranty will not claim.
What's the cost of this music system for the customer put for
So
the
there are
Sigma
two types. One is 17,000, one is 35,000.
The 35,000 is the top end variant, na? It
Yes.
is alpha.
Alpha.
And the mid variant is the 17,000 you're telling, na?
Yes.
These two customers are having option for the Sigma variant
Yes.
option.
Yes, option.
This is the wide or wireless display. Okay, Apple Android Auto.
This comes with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you have FM, USB aux, Bluetooth connectivity, and you have Alexa, and you have voice command, reverse parking camera, and yeah, this one things.
What all in top end same feature will be available in this system also, na?
Yes,
In the Delta variant.
Yes.
Because Sigma, Delta and Alpha.
No, Delta model will have only FM, USB aux, Bluetooth connectivity. That's all. But in the top end model, you have additionally Alexa, and you have reverse parking camera display, and you have Smart Pay connectivity, Suzuki Connect. So these many things will come.
That will come under the next app you're telling, no?
Yes.
Last variant we were told 4 variant was a Zeta was the variant, no? Zeta 1 variant was there in Baleno, no? Older Balenos.
Yeah, Zeta. No, Zeta and Alpha both were there. Now also Zeta and Alpha.
Totally I got 4 variants for them. Sigma also was the rating, so Sigma, Zeta and
Sigma, Delta, Zeta, Alpha. Same now also Sigma, Delta, Zeta, Alpha.
like Zeta is the top 1 variant on telling.
No, Alpha is a top end model.
There's a plus variant in this.
No, there is no plus.
Like how in shift is a plus variant option is there,
no.
Ladder no option in plus variant.
No plus variant.
This it is a particular diesel I'm saying.
This is only petrol.
We don't get diesel.
No diesel.
It means remove you're telling.
Yes.
These are all for the Sigma. Sigma, this all will not get you're telling, no?
Yes.
This AC light already for the Sigma. It will be basic.
No. In the Sigma, new Baleno, Sigma also have automatic AC.
Okay, I thought you like manual we getting at all. Manual.
Earlier it was manual, now automatic. All 4 variants automatic AC.
Okay, like all to the 18 model, you don't get the round type, you don't get manual.
No, you won't get it.
This is there at Sigma Windows, no? USB.
Yes, USB.
All variant USB is available.
All variant USB aux is available.
It is for 12 watts, no?
12 volts.
Only 4 variants now is missing in the mid variant totally.
Yes.
Like head-on display, cruise control, and
Heads-up display, cruise control, reverse 360-degree camera,
and the fog lights.
Front fog lamp with LED, and alloy wheels, rear AC vents. This many things.
In this the mid variant we're getting a cap.
Wheel cap. Yes.
Only for diamond cut we're getting diamond cut for top end.
Yes.
Sigma we're getting a steel wheel.
Yes.
In front what we get features is that what is changed in the Delta variant. Front what is changed in the Delta variant, mid variant.
This is
lights,
Delta.
what's the lights change?
There is halogen. Halogen.
In top end we're getting LED by lamps, no?
LED headlamps. This is halogen headlamps.
Top end fully LED type ಆಗಿದೆ. In the full LED ಆಗಿದೆ.
Yes, yes.
Top end disable LED also.
Yes, yes.
Right. For mid-band we're getting 100 bulb.
Yes.
For the Sigma same only, no?
Yes.
This is common fitted again, no? All the
It is all common features.
grill part. But Sigma is the accessory part, no? For Sigma there is.
Sigma also will have.
That accessory part we are getting for the car. Each accessory of the Delta variant is. And interior we got a video of the Delta variant. Some feature and you can see the interior parts there, what all we get. This is fabric piece we are getting for the Delta variant. And we don't get as I adjusted what you get in the Alpha variant. This is a non-adjusted adjusters are getting, fabric piece are getting. And here also we get cigarette charger will get and a chiller box will get in the Alpha variant, Delta variant. And this can be the variant. And there are features which are missing in the Alpha and there are also not in the Delta variant. So Alpha is what you can buy in the showroom side. And we will get motor liter full tanks with the ಗಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ full tank ಇದನ್ನು motor liter full tanks ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಲೈಟ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಬೆಲಿನೋ ವಿತ್ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೂಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಬೂಟು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ 185/60 R15 ಸೈಜ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲೋಯ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲೋಯ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಕಟ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಫ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಸನ್ರೂಫ್ ಸಿಗೋಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಟಾಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ರೂಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀಲೆಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐಸಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಪೀಡೋಮೀಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸು. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ 3-4 ಫೀಚರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಿಚ್ಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ವೀಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಾಜನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ LED ಟಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಟಾಪಿನ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಕೀ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಕೀಯೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೀಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗೋಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಸಿಗೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೀಚರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಇದೇ ಫೀಚರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಡೆಲ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಹೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆಮೋಟೆಡ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ಸೀರಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಲೈಟ್. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಡೆಲ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಂತೆ. ಟಾಪ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ LED ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸು, LED ಮೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಅದೇ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೂ ಗ್ರಿಲ್ ಬೆಲೆನೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I'm in the driver's side. We see this much legroom. After the legroom is there. This is not touching my the boot of the car. Look, front dashboard is not, my leg is not touching. This much gap is there, but ample legroom is there. If I'm sitting like this, you can sit, for example, and see that much space is still. And if I want to consider that, but it's not touching the glove box or the dashboard of this car. Go see. This much support I have, and this much support. If I see my height of this car, guys, see. This much height I'm sitting in that car. Because I have adjustable headrests in the passenger for the passenger driver seat, headrests is there, and you can only sit for longer. It's very comfortable in passenger driver seat. And that it's a very good comfortable seat in the driver and the passenger seat. And this much features I got. Features is there in the I'm currently thinking in the I'm putting in the Delta variant, not in the Alpha variant of this is this is the top and below variant guys. ನೋಡೋಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅರೆಂಕಾರಿಯನ್ ಇವು ಮತ್ತು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ ರೈಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಶಲ್ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಾಬಾ hello guys, I'm sitting in the this is not alpha model, this is a top and below variant called the delta variant. You can see the height wise I'm 6 feet tall, still my roof height is still touch, my roof is touch, the ceiling is touching, and we'll get fabric seat, we'll get in ball variant, we'll get fabric seat, we'll get because in the alpha variant we get adjust is there, but for zeta, but for sigma and delta you don't adjust not, it's fixed to the seat only, and almost this much sitting for the second person. Only 2 person can sit from my height. 2 people can sit here, sit guys. And that three smallest, I think 4 people can sit in the race seat. As my like my big size guy, well, 2 people can sit in the race seat. We get seat belt option is there, and this is the viewing angle, and we also get adjustable for all people we get, and this much features is there, yes. Feature is there, you can see, and lots of features. A seat is very undersized, very comfortable seat. I'm sitting. I'm not feeling very long days because you don't have adjustable heads up, but long days head pain might come in the long rides, guys. Might be what I feel. I don't know about that thing. It depends on the each passenger how he sits in there, because for long we go above 100 or 200 kilometers, maybe your neck issue might come in the long rides, long drives, or in city drives it will okay to sit like this, but if I have older people in the back, so they may can't sit, they feel uncomfortable sitting in the race because they don't have headrest there. And then that in alpha we have adjusted the race it also, that's a good feature, guys. And then that this is only driver passenger we got adjusted there. That's a front features are changed, and fingers. And then that we'll get reading glass, 3 more reading glass we get, and we get 4 power windows we get, door lockable we get, and then we get very good viewable display, viewable window we have on the outside of passenger. Other than that ಮೂರ್ನಾಲ್ಕು ಫೀಚರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾಗೂ ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ಗೆ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಲಿ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮಿಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಬಿಲೋ ವೇರಿಯಂಟು ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಹಾಗೇನು ಟಾಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಸ್ತಿಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟ ಈ ಗಾಡಿ ಇದು. ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಈ ಫೀಚರ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸುಮಾರು ಈ ಥರ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಆಗ ನೀವು ವೀಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಸಿಗೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನನಗೂ ಊಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡೋಣ. Coming soon, guys. Also, guys, I mean, if you want to buy, you can come to the Nexa Jepnagar showroom, and you can book the new balloon and get a tester, free tester here also, guys. Nexa balloon, no? Next is I'm in shooting in Nexa vlogging Nexa balloon, guys. Which Nexa balloon showroom, guys. And this comes opposite to Homeland, beside Homeland John. In Google, you'll get the showroom address, guys. That's all, guys. In one video, guys, sigana. But I mean, this is another pretty sign on my left and another shortly, guys. Bye bye, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.